Hi there, my name is Peter and I am from Vox Singing Academy Australia, which was established in 1993. Before I get stuck in this next video, if you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. If you have any comments, put them in the comments below if you have any questions. And if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links below for more info. Numerous studios around Melbourne. We give online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days a week. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, please check out the ultimate online singing course. Let's get stuck into the next video. I've shot a video on short-term COVID. I'm going to now shoot a video here today on the effects of long-term COVID on singers. Now, I'm only going off this by the experience that I've had with people that have had long-term COVID that I've come in contact with and that I know. Now, to be honest with you, I've only had 3 people that I know that have had long-term COVID. One is my dear friend and developer, Pete, who does all my development work on my websites, and then 2 other students. So I will just tell you the information that's been passed back to me from these people that have had long-term COVID to do with their singing and their general day-to-day activities. Number 1, long-term COVID lasts several weeks. Now that's very broad. So generally from 8 weeks to 15 weeks. So from 2 months to 3 months. That's what the general consensus is with the 3 people that I know that have had COVID. As a general rule as well too, with these 3 people that I know, when they got COVID, it really knocked them out the first week or so. So they were nearly bedridden for the first week. When I've had COVID and all the other people that I know, and everyone has had COVID here, it generally affects you really badly for 3 or 4 days, and then you're sort of out of it and start to get better. But with the people that have long form COVID, they were generally feeling bad for around a week, which is about the same as what a flu is. With these people as well too, they've generally had their 3 flu vaccination shots. So whether that has got something to do with it, I know that with 2 of them, they said once they felt very sick after they're getting their vaccination shots as well too. I'm fully vaccinated. I didn't feel any effects from my vaccination shots, period. I was just fine the next day. So yes, it knocks them out for the first week and a bit hard. So they really can't get out of bed and having trouble to function. And then it's a really slow progress of getting better after that. So it's a very slow build up with that. With the 2 people that I know that were singers, yes, it really did affect their voice. They were very sick and they kind of nearly lost their voice for that first week and a half. Again, I would be recommending, if you're getting upper respiratory infection or laryngitis, is to go on to antibiotics so that you can kill that bug as soon as you possibly can. If you think that's what you've got, or you go on to your doctor and they diagnose you with that. Again, doctors don't like to give out antibiotics just willy-nilly anymore. It's just something that they don't do, unfortunately. With my developer, I know that his voice was also very raspy for the first couple of weeks after when he had long-term COVID. And I know that with a couple of my students, they had a couple of false starts. So they were feeling slightly better and they went off and did quite a few things, run some errands, did some scales of singing, and then it put them back a little bit. So they felt worse the next day and the day after that, and then they had to rest up again. So basically slowly easing back into it. Don't feel, yeah, I'm feeling good today, and then get back into it 110%, like I do with everything. But if you've got long-term COVID, just slowly ease up and build up your stamina for day-to-day activities and also singing as well too. Again, try to eat as well as you possibly can, eating a lot of fresh green vegetables, fruit, things that got antioxidants, keeping up your vitamin intake, your general vitamin intake, lots of onion and garlic, and resting up and just taking care of yourself while your body is fighting this infection. And generally, it's going to take, as I said, 8 to 3 months. And I know my developer was even saying that it probably even went longer than that. And it was a really slow grind for him. My other 2 students were sort of starting to come back after about 2 months. They had nearly 2 months off before their voice, and they were functioning properly again. Again, this is just my personal experience and my knowledge from the people that I've had contact with. I personally haven't had long form COVID, and I hope that I don't get it or ever get it or wish it upon anyone, because it doesn't sound great. But I hope that I've helped you out with that. Please, if you want any details about short-term COVID, please check out the video that we have got in our playlist as well too, under vocal hygiene. We have lots of other great videos under our playlist for vocal hygiene, how to combat laryngitis and the effects of laryngitis on the singer's voice, cold and flu management, you name it, it's on there. Vocal health, what you should eat to get the best out of your voice, what you shouldn't eat, what you shouldn't drink as well too. So check out a lot of the videos on the playlist there if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you think that I've missed anything, put it in the comments below. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If I get enough questions about a particular subject, I will do a video on it. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. If we could help you, more importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, please check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne. We give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. Until the next video, peace and much love. Live each day as if it's your last and enjoy your singing. Bye-bye.